evening, everyone. I am Venkatesh from UKG. Today, our gathering here to celebrate our school anniversary. Dear guests, dear teachers, dear parents, and my dear lovely friends, hearty welcome to you, our school anniversary celebration. Then in this occasion, I want to share my experience with our school. Our school is like a big happy home. In this year, we learned so much. We sang songs, danced, and playing games. Thank you so much for our principal and teachers who gave many opportunities to know ourselves. Dear guests and parents, we have many exciting performances planned for you. We hope you enjoy the day. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you.